Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your Shaky video using InShot. This method is 100% free and a great alternative to CapCut, especially if you are looking for a quick and easy way to fix unstable footage directly on your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open InShot and then just import your video that you want to stabilize. If your footage is shaky because you're walking or moving too fast or recording handheld, don't worry, InShot actually has a built-in stabilizer that works surprisingly well. So when your video in the timeline, just go to the tools at the bottom and then just choose stabilizer. This one, just tap on it. In here, InShot will give you 3 stabilization levels that you can choose from. First, is First, it has low level. This will make slight subtle corrections to your footage like this. Like this. Just use this if your video is only slightly shaky or if you want to keep as much of the original camera movement as possible. It also will help avoid too much cropping so your frames stay wider. And then the second option is standard. This is the middle settings that and usually works for most situations. It will balance stability and image quality very well without making the video look too cropped or too distorted. And then if you want a natural look but still remove most of the shake, standard is best choice. And the result will look something like this. Like this. And then the last is most stable, which is the strongest and smoothest stabilizations. Just use this if your footage is very shaky, like when recording while walking, moving fast, or maybe running. But just keep in mind, the stronger the stabilizations, the more video get cropped. But if you want the smoothest possible result, this is definitely the best options. And here's the result. Like this. As you can see, the video becomes much more stable compared to the original. This is the original. You can see the difference. And then next, just choose the level that works best for your clips. And then you can preview its options in real time. So feel free to switch back and forth until find the perfect one. And once you're satisfied, just tap on checklist and then just import your video. And okay, that's it. That's the whole process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.